Hello and welcome back. In today's tutorial, we are building a journey to send daily weather forecast to Slack team. Now, for this, let's select Scheduler as our trigger, which will trigger our journey every day. So, let's move on. Now we have to choose New Scheduled Event as our trigger event. As we want to trigger this journey every day, so let's select interval as 1 day. If you want to run this on a particular time or date, then you can specify the date and time also. After this, we need to capture weather details from Yahoo Weather and then share them on Slack channel. So let's just select Yahoo Weather. Choose weather forecast by location. Now, I'm choosing an existing connection and linking the account to establish the connection. Let's add location and choose appropriate unit. Now, we have to share weather details on Slack, so let's select Slack. Choose send message to a channel as action. Again, selecting an existing connection to establish the connection. Now, we have to choose the right channel to broadcast message. Add message using Yahoo Weather app data. As we are sending this message via bot, we have to select yes. Now we are ready with our journey. Let's just save the changes and start our journey. So, as our trigger is scheduler, it will trigger this journey. So let me just refresh the history. Yes, our journey has been executed successfully. Now let's go to Slack, and as you can see, we have received a new message with weather details. In this way, you can build a journey to send daily weather forecast to Slack team. I hope you like this tutorial. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.